friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. We are all fond of gulab jamun, but have we ever thought of making a spicy gulab jamun? Is it even possible? Yes, of course it is. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious and crispy spicy chicken gulab jamun with my little twist. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button for regular updates. So let's see the ingredients for this delicious gulab jamun. I've taken 1 packet of gulab jamun mix. Let's transfer the gulab jamun mix into a bowl and add about half a teaspoon of salt and mix it together. Now let's add about 1/4 cup of water and mix well. We need to make it into a chapati dough consistency. Now you can see that our batter is ready. It has come to a chapati dough consistency. Keep it aside for about 10 minutes. Now take a pan. Let's start making the chicken filling. Into the pan, let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add about 2 large onions which is finely chopped. Stir fry it till the onions are nice and golden brown. Now let's add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it till all the raw smell goes away. This is a simple chicken filling. You can make any chicken filling of your choice. Now let's add about 2 large tomatoes which is finely chopped. Stir fry it till the tomatoes become nice and soft and mushy. Now at this stage, let's add about 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You can alter the chili powder according to your taste. Now stir fry it for about 2 minutes till the tomatoes are nice and soft. Now let's add about 1/4 cup of water. This helps the tomatoes to cook fast. So you can see after 2 minutes our tomatoes are nice and soft. Today I've taken about half a kg of chicken, boneless chicken, which is round in a mixer jar. This minced chicken cooks very fast. So stir fry it for another 2 minutes till all the water is well drained. Now you can see that our chicken filling is ready. Add sufficient salt. And finally, when the chicken is ready, let's garnish it with some minced coriander leaves. And stir fry it and keep it aside in a bowl. Now let's transfer the chicken into a bowl. And let's add about 2 tablespoons of sweet chili sauce. This gives a nice flavor to the filling. Mix it together and keep it aside. Now you can see that our dough is ready. Take small balls. The ball should be in the size of gulab jamun. Now let's make a small hollow in the center so that we can fill the chicken in the center. After filling the chicken, let's close the dough and make it into a perfect ball without any cracks before deep frying it. So you can see that all our balls are ready. Now let's fry the chicken gulab jamun in the hot oil. Always keep the flame in slow so that the dough cooks in the slow flame. It should reach a nice dark brown consistency. See to that there are no cracks. Let it come to a nice dark brown consistency. So perfect. This is the color that we need. A crispy, spicy chicken gulab jamun is ready. Similarly, fry all the balls and keep it aside. So that's it, friends. A delicious and crispy, spicy gulab jamuns are perfectly ready. This is a great starter recipe, or you can also use it as a tea time snack for kids. So do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below. See you all soon with another interesting recipe.